Hello, my name is Robin and I want you to join me as I take on the challenge of making amazing friends after age 40. Can I really connect with new people at this stage in life? Making friends as an adult can be tough, but it's especially challenging after age 40. At this stage in life, we're often settled in our careers, raising families, and focusing on our personal growth. But having a strong social network is crucial for our mental health and overall well-being. In fact, studies have shown that people with strong social connections tend to live longer, happier lives. So, the question is, how can we make meaningful friendships after age 40? One of the biggest challenges we face is our busy schedules. Between work, family, and social commitments, it can be hard to find the time to meet new people and nurture those relationships. Another obstacle is past experiences. We may have been burned in previous friendships or relationships, leaving us hesitant to put ourselves out there again. And let's be honest, there's also the societal expectation that we should have already established our friend circle by this age. It's like we're expected to have it all figured out, but the truth is, many of us are still searching for meaningful connections. As we get older, our social circles tend to shrink as well. We may have moved to a new city, changed jobs, or experienced a major life change, causing us to lose touch with old friends. And sometimes, we may feel like we're just too old to make new friends, that it's something only young people can do. But that's simply not true. We just need to be intentional about putting ourselves out there and being open to new experiences and people. So, how do we overcome these challenges and start forming new friendships? Well, one strategy is to find groups of people with similar interests. This could be a book club, a sports team, or a hiking group. When we're doing something we love, it's easier to connect with others who share our passion. We can also attend local events, such as concerts, festivals, or street fairs. These events provide a relaxed atmosphere to meet new people and start conversations. Another approach is to utilize social media platforms. We can join Facebook groups or online forums centered around our interests and engage with others in the community. We can also use apps designed for meeting new people, such as Bumble BFF or Hey Vina. These platforms can help us connect with others in our area who share similar interests and values. I'd like to share a personal story that illustrates the power of making friends after age 40. My friend Sarah, who's in her late 40s, had recently moved to a new city for work. She knew nobody in the area and was feeling lonely and isolated. So, she decided to take action. She joined a local yoga studio and started volunteering at an animal shelter. Through these activities, she met some amazing people who shared her values and interests. Today, Sarah has a strong social network in her new city, and she credits these friendships with helping her feel more grounded and happy. Sarah's story shows us that it's never too late to make meaningful friendships. We just need to be willing to put ourselves out there and be open to new experiences and people. By following these practical tips and strategies, we can overcome the challenges of making friends after 40 and build a strong social network that will enrich our lives. In conclusion, making friends after 40 requires effort and intentionality, but it's definitely possible. I hope this video has inspired you to take action and start building meaningful relationships in your life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your own experiences in the comments below. If you want more content on personal development and relationships, please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video.